Good morning. It's Tuesday, November the 17th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, as always, I've got a great show lined up for you this morning. I've got 3 press releases, 2 from the Canadian side, 1 from the U.S. side, and I've got 2 halts to report on the second segment. Now, however, before we actually get down to business, I've got several great announcements that I'd like to make. First one is a reminder, the AGORACOM Online Gold and Commodities Conference takes place right here on AGORACOM, December 3rd and 4th. 100% free, so from the leisure of your own office or your own home, you can tune in and catch some great companies and catch some great presenters. Once again, December 3rd and 4th, put that in your calendars. Now, a couple more announcements I'd like to make. First one, Fire River Gold. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol FAU. AGORACOM wants to welcome Fire River Gold to the AGORACOM 100 and the AGORACOM family. A little bit about Fire River Gold. They completed their IPO at the end of May 2009. They're the newest member of the International Metals Group. The primary focus of Fire River Gold is the exploration and development of gold projects in North America. They recently acquired Nixon Fork Gold Mine in Alaska, which has the potential to be a near-term gold producer. And remember, folks, gold has clearly broken through $1,100 an ounce. So these kinds of companies are the ones you want to be taking a look at. The company is presently negotiating additional advanced stage gold projects in North America. Management's objective is to make Fire River Gold a North American gold producer in the next 18 months. They're last at 60 cents. High of 60 cents, so they're at their 52-week high, low of 50 cents, market cap of approximately $14.5 million. Once again, thanks to Fire River for joining the AGORACOM team. One more announcement I'd like to make. Melchor Resources, they trade on the venture under the symbol MKR. Once again, this company is also joining the AGORACOM 100. A little bit about the company. They're a junior exploration company with active exploration projects in West Timmins and McFalds Lake. 2 areas that you're hearing a lot of hype about: the West Timmins area and the McFalds Lake Ring of Fire area in Ontario. So it looks like they've got some great properties in some great areas. Melkior also holds a 49% interest in the Delta Kenti nickel, copper, platinum, palladium deposit in Ngava, and this has several other gold properties in Ontario and Quebec. So it sounds like this company is strategically positioned in the right places. They're last at 32.5 cents. High of 45 cents, low of 4 cents, and a market cap of approximately $29 million. Once again, welcome to Fire River Gold and Melkior to the AGORACOM families. Now, let's actually get down to business. I've got 3 great press releases. First one, Golden Predator. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol GPD. We've got some big news coming out of the company this morning. They're announcing that they've intersected 11 grams per ton of gold over 25 meters. Included within that, we've got a higher concentration of 52 grams per ton of gold over 2.7 meters from the Tom Zone, and this is located in the Yukon territories. The company is also planning an accelerated campaign next year to further evaluate the numerous known gold targets as well as identify additional gold targets within the very large anomaly area. A little bit about the company. They want to establish a self-funded precious metals exploration company with an immediate focus on exploring for and developing world-class gold assets in the Yukon's Tintina Gold Belt. Company's last at 71 cents. High of 88, low of 38, market cap of approximately $36 million. Moving on to our next company, Legend International. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol LGDI. The company is announcing a strategic alliance with Wengfu Group Company for the development of its phosphates mine, a beneficiation plant, and the phosphoric acid plant in Queensland, Australia. Now, a little bit of background. Wengfu is one of the largest phosphate fertilizer producers in China, and they produce over 2.5 million tons of finished fertilizer products. Under this agreement, Legend and Wengfu have agreed to work together on the feasibility study. Pending a positive feasibility study, Wengfu and Legend will also investigate the production of specialty phosphate products derived from phosphoric acid manufacture. A little bit about the company. Their primary focus is on the development of phosphate interest in the Georgina Basin. This is in Queensland, Australia. And Legend plans to produce an average of 5 million tons per year of phosphate rock, becoming one of the world's leading producers of phosphate rock. Company's last at 79 cents. High of $1.11, low of 26 cents, market cap of 170. Disclaimer time, they aren't a AGORACOM client. However, as always, do your own due diligence on these companies. Moving on to our next company, another bulletin board company, China Yida reports China Yida Holding Company. They are on the bulletin board under the symbol CNDH. The company is reporting record third quarter 2009 results. Their unaudited financial results for the third quarter. Got some highlights which include total net revenue increased 80% to $14 million. Gross profit grew almost 100% to $11.3 million year over year. Operating income grew 88% to $9.5 million. And finally, net income increased 46% to $7.1 million, and that's year over year. So some great numbers coming out of the company. A little bit about their financial condition. The company reported $8.7 million in cash and cash equivalents, representing the same level with the year of 2008. A little bit about the company. They're a leading diversified entertainment-focused company on China's fast-growing media and tourism industries, and headquartered in China. Last at $11.01. High of 12 cents, low of 1 cent. Take a look at that. Make sure that's accurate. Market cap of $187 million. Moving on to the halts, I've got two for you. Intuitivo Capital Corp trades on the venture under the symbol ITU.P, halted pending news. And the Zaya Capital Corp on the venture under the symbol XCA.P, halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. A lot of news to digest, but a lot of great news. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to join us again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.